In this video today, we are going to be fixing a torchlight, like they always call it, a torchlight in a mobile phone, a 2G phone that does not that is not bright, doesn't glow properly. Now I'm going to on it too, and you see the difference. This is the one we are going to be working on. Now check the brightness of the torchlight. So this is it. It's very dim. Camera is making it look as if it's bright. It is not bright. Now let's check a very good one, the difference. Now see the brightness. So there are two different brightness. So we are going to be making this also to be like this one to be like this. So that's what we're going to be working on. So let me put it off right now. Then the same thing here, put it off, and then we'll lose it and get it changed. Now how do we go about this? Very simple. This is switched off already. Now remove this of the back cover. Now first we need to understand what is inside. We need to know the kind of device that glows in it. We need to know the device that glows there. You need to know the device. So I will lose the screws around it. Now I think there's a need for brightness. So that all the screws can see everything. Okay. This has been removed. So this is what we are working on, the LED here. What we are working on here. So this is the LED. That's the LED. So there is a cover that needs to be removed. This has a cap. That's a cap. Now this is the LED that needs to be changed. This LED here. This is it. We need to change it so we can see how it looks like. So we'll desolder this and remove it. I'm sure we can see it. Very, very small lead. Now, how do we remove this? We'll engage the workstation. The workstation is going to be engaged this way. Once it blows the hot air. Now, so we're going to remove it. I'm heating from the back, not the LED directly. Once it is heated up, it will melt the base, the LEDs under the LED. Melt it. Now I can remove it. That is already this small step on this blade already, but it is not bright. Can you see the glowing? It glows. Check my hand, you see that it's giving some kind of glow. But can you see it in my hand? It glows. Can you see it now? So it's not bright enough. So what are we going to do? We're going to get a replacement for it from this LED bulb. There's energy saving bulb. So it's full of LEDs. all of these LEDs. Now let us check the LEDs. One of them that we will need the glows. So once it glows, we are going to remove it. So let's change the polarity. Now can you see this one? We are going to use glows. This one glows. So we are going to dissolve this. So what do? We heat also from the back. We're going to heat it from the back so that it will not melt the plastic covering the illumination. So that's the essence of heating from the back. Yeah, by so doing, um, the LEDs underneath the LED, the soldering LEDs will be softened, will become molten, and you'll be able to just remove it without any stress. Now, can you see how I just removed this? I just removed this. Now that has been removed. Now we are going to replace this with this. This is bad. Now we are going to test it as it is on out of the board. Now let's check. This is the small, it's positive. That is, it glows. You may not see it, but it glows. Let me show us so that we'll see if it glows or not. Now can you see it? The brightness of this one is better than the other one. So I'm going to just position it now positive. Now just I think there will be need to just add some lead on the surface of the terminal. So add some lead on the surface of it. Another one here. Okay. So here's my tweezer. So now that's done. So we're going to just apply heat from behind. I want to check the polarity, positive, negative. You're not able to see this. So let's change it. It's negative. So you should turn this way. So that is done already. So now return the cap. I'll return the cap. But before I return the cap, let's test first. Let's test if that fixes it. Let's test it on now. Let's see if the LED glows. It glows bright. I will now compare the two together. Okay. Now see the difference now. So this is it. So now let's check it with this. See that this is also bright. And two are now as bright as one another. The brightness is now equal. So we're going to package it And that marks the end of the video. This is Nitty-Gritty electronic repairs. If this video has impacted on you, if you have been able to gain one or two things, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Please like it so that this video can get to as many persons as possible. Thank you, and see you in the next video.